ShareAsale was a cornerstone of affiliate marketing for a lot of years. And for many brands, that was sort of a default starting point, the place where first partnerships and early affiliate revenue took shape. And for a long time, it worked pretty well. Eventually, ShareAsale merged into AWIN, which AWIN always was the parent company of ShareAsale, but ShareAsale eventually shut down. And a lot of brands and businesses that were affiliated with ShareAsale either merged with AWIN or sought other platforms. And even before the merger and during, there were a lot of immediate and serious questions as far as, are we going to lose tracking data? What happens to our existing partners? And being someone who was a part of that merger, at least on the affiliate partner side, it was a little bumpy, to say the least. You know, the merger took place around August of 2025, and you know, it definitely had some bumps, we'll say that. So for those businesses and brands who wanted to seek another platform, there are a lot of options. Whether you followed over to AWIN from ShareAsale with the merger, or you're just looking for a new platform and you see ShareAsale coming up in conversations pretty often as though it's still a current option when it isn't. I'm going to talk about the best ShareAsale alternatives that you should consider for your brand or business. And of course, I'll cover the platform, who each is best for, what their integrations look like, and just all of the pros and cons and things that you need to consider if you're either moving away from AWIN after the ShareAsale merger, or you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you're just looking for a platform to start with. You also might be wondering why ShareAsale shut down and merged into AWIN, and that's a pretty good question. There were a lot of issues as far as it being outdated, really. I think that was the biggest issue. It wasn't necessarily broken or not working. It was just outdated. The reporting and dashboards weren't really intuitive. There were a lot of manual operations involved at ShareAsale with really limited automation. And there were attribution constraints, especially for brands that focus more on multi-touch paths and incrementality. ShareAsale's tracking was restrictive in that regard. And I think that fed into scaling issues, especially for, you know, brands that were managing more and more partners, which meant more and more manual work and a lot less efficiency. And finally, at least for the affiliate partner side, the dashboards were a little clunky, approvals could be slow, and the confidence in tracking wasn't always strong. Now, a lot of that was addressed with the merger into AWIN, but again, at least for brands and businesses that moved from one platform to another, I don't feel like it was as seamless as it was marketed to be, especially on the affiliate partner side. There were a lot of issues, and I, at least personally, spent many hours, dealing with emails and back and forth with tech support and with my affiliate partners, and it was a whole thing. So, you know, AWIN, I think, has ironed out a lot of the kinks from the merger at this point, but I can definitely understand why you might be considering other platforms, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. As far as picking the best alternatives, the lens that I used really was based on platforms that I've worked with directly. I've even seen operate under real traffic and real revenue pressure, so I know for certain that they're a fit or not, based on what they offer and how they work. So the first one that I want to talk about is Everflow. And I think this is probably the best alternative to ShareAsale. And it's often chosen by teams that have outgrown basic affiliate tracking, and they need clearer attribution with a lot less operational overhead. It's built as an infrastructure rather than a discovery network, which means you really control how your program runs. And the reason why it works so well Tracking is first party and server side by default. So that reduces gaps that are caused by browsers or ad blockers. The attribution logic, approvals, and payouts can be automated. And you can set up defined rules for that. So that cuts down a lot on the manual review and finance work, which is a pretty big deal, especially coming from ShareAsale and even AWIN. I think that the user interface and just the overall usability is a lot cleaner and more modern and easier to understand compared to larger legacy networks. The reporting is easy to navigate. It's really practical. There are fewer exports that are needed when you need to answer performance questions. And I really think that Everflow is best suited for scaling brands that want control but also reliable data. And the onboarding with Everflow does take time. It's about 4 weeks, and that's mandatory. But the reasoning behind this is during those 4 weeks, you're getting training. And this is especially important for brands and businesses that are new to affiliate marketing. A lot of times you get into these platforms, it's overwhelming, very confusing. Everflow's onboarding process includes the setup, obviously, but all of the training that you need to actually be able to run your program when you launch it. Plus, their support is top tier as far as I'm concerned, not just through onboarding, but like anything that you need after your program is already launched. Their support is really responsive. And I think especially for brands that are new to affiliate marketing, you're not going to find a better platform to join, especially when you need the support along with, all of the integrations and functionality that you need from your affiliate platform. It's definitely a great starter option, but it's a platform that will grow with you as your business grows. Next up, Impact is another one that I kind of consider somewhat of a legacy affiliate platform. It's been around for a really long time, just along the same lines as like AWIN, ShareAsale was, and CJ and others. And Impact is really built for companies that are running multiple partnership types at scale. It's less about simplicity and more about structure, governance, and consistency. And I think it works well because it has really strong contract management, flexible attribution models, and really deep CRM integrations. So it makes it suitable for companies that are running complex partnership ecosystems, especially with multiple stakeholders. The user interface, it's powerful, but it is heavy. I think it works best for teams that have clear ownership and established workflows, ideally people that are dedicated to managing all of this. I think it's really a good fit for enterprise brands that have dedicated partnership teams because it does have a steep learning curve, especially for smaller brands, startups, or very lean teams. It can be a lot. I think compared to Everflow, if you're starting out small, Everflow is going to be the much better option of the two, but Impact is really effective because it does provide a lot to companies that are running multiple partnerships at once. Partnerize is another really good option for brands where relationships matter as much as the performance, especially in retail and influencer-driven programs. The affiliate and influencer management live in one system at Partnerize. So there are built-in tools for collaboration, discovery, and even campaign coordination. Now, the user interface on Partnerize is really approachable for marketing teams. The reporting is really clear, easy to navigate without being overly technical. And again, it is best suited, I think, to retailer and influencer heavy programs. And part of the reasoning for that is because there's a lot less technical customization with Partnerize, which can be a benefit, but can also be a hindrance depending on your particular brand or business, especially with this being driven more toward partnerships with influencers. In those spaces, it might not be enough compared to what platforms like Everflow or Impact might offer. CJ Affiliate is probably the closest traditional replacement for ShareAsale. So for brands that really want that classic affiliate network set up, I think CJ is going to be a really great option. It works well because it provides immediate access to established affiliate partners, stable payment processes, really predictable workflows, and that appeals strongly to longtime network users, especially. The UI, I think it's easy to navigate, but it is a little dated. The reporting and customization are a little more limited compared to newer platforms like Everflow. But again, this is the closest to a traditional affiliate network like ShareAsale was. I think this is best for brands that really do rely on that classic affiliate network setup. The only trade-offs really, there is less flexibility and modern attribution control compared to Everflow and even Impact. Affise is another option, but I'm going to preface this by saying that it really is best for technical performance-focused teams, and ideally those that have a dev team available. So Affise is designed for teams that want maximum flexibility and they have the technical resources to support that. Specifically because it has an API-first architecture that really allows for deep customization of tracking, attribution, and automation workflows. So the user interface is functional, but it's not entirely intuitive. This is really an option that's best when you have developers who are involved in the setup and the maintenance over time. It is a very powerful platform, and I think it's a good option when you need like the highest available customization, but that the trade-off is having that really steep learning curve and needing that dev support along the way. Now, if your team can handle that, you have the internal resources to set up and maintain a platform like that, I think it can be a really good option. But for smaller startups, smaller businesses, it might be a little more than you can feasibly handle. Finally, Refersion is another option, and I think this is best for small to mid-size e-commerce teams. It's a really straightforward option, especially for smaller brands and those that are running on Shopify. So what is great about it is that there's a quick setup, native e-commerce integrations, and there's very simple payout automation that make it really easy to launch and manage, even if you're new to affiliate marketing. The user interface, very user-friendly. I think most teams can be live quickly with really minimal training. So that's definitely a benefit to Refersion. Like I mentioned, it's great for small to mid-size e-commerce teams. But the trade-off with that is that there's limited advanced reporting and attribution. This is a much more lightweight platform, which can be a great fit for some brands, but it might not necessarily be perfect for all of them. So right about now, you're probably wondering which ShareAsale alternative is right for you. And that's a good question, but not necessarily an easy one to answer because there is no universal best platform. That said, there is a best fit for how your business actually operates. So for brands that are scaling, I think Everflow and Impact are both great options. If you're growing fast and you need better tracking, attribution, and visibility, both of those platforms tend to support that momentum really well. They're really built for teams that don't want to manage everything manually anymore. So it's a good option if you're either starting fresh or leaving one of the more traditional affiliate networks like what ShareAsale was, or how it turned into AWIN. Now, if you are looking more for a traditional affiliate network, I think CJ Affiliate is the best fit for that, especially if your program relies heavily on classic content publishers, loyalty sites, and network discovery. CJ still fits that mold really well, and it's going to feel very familiar to longtime affiliates. For really small e-commerce teams, I think Refersion can be a nice lightweight fit for lean teams that are running Shopify or similar platforms. Refersion keeps things really straightforward. There's a lot less complexity compared to any of the other platforms that I've talked about today. The setup is fast, and it does offer enough functionality to run a clean program without too much overhead. But again, it is limited compared to the other platforms. Now, if you have a very technical or product-led team, Affise, I think, is a great fit. If you have developers that are involved and you want deep control through APIs and custom workflows, Affise makes total sense. It rewards technical ownership more than plug-and-play simplicity. But again, you really do need to have the dev support to set this up, launch it, and manage it. Finally, for programs that are really influencer heavy, Partnerize is a great fit, especially when your partnerships sort of blur the lines between affiliates, creators, and brand collaborators. Partnerize is really great for this. It handles non-traditional partnerships with minimal structure and a lot of flexibility. ShareAsale wasn't perfect, but it did work. And a lot of real affiliate programs were built on it. So losing something that's familiar can always create, friction at first until you figure out what to do next. But I think too, the transition forced a lot of programs to look at the way that they were running. A lot of setups were held together by habits, tracking that was good enough, and reporting that required more effort than it really needs, or workflows that were heavily dependent on manual checks instead of automated systems. So moving off of ShareAsale, I think, gives brands a chance to clean that up. Find platforms that offer better tracking, clearer attribution, maybe a little less hands-on work. And there are a lot of options to consider, whether you merged into AWIN or you're just starting from scratch and looking for an affiliate platform to get yourself set up with. If you treat this transition as a reset instead of a disruption, you're not just replacing ShareAsale. You're going to end up with a program that's easier to run, easier to scale, and ultimately that's better aligned with how your partnerships are actually working.